Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted Telegram messages. So first, you just have to open your Telegram, and as you can see here, if you have deleted a specific message, then it's hard for you to undo or recover it. But when it comes to files such as documents, pictures, and videos, then you can find a way to recover it if you did this before you delete some files here. So go to your data and storage, and then you have to go to the save to gallery, and you have to make sure that you turn on this download or automatic media download here. You have to toggle this one on. Whatever feature is under the save to gallery, you have to turn this one on. Private chats, groups, channels, and so on, so that even if you have deleted or if someone deleted something here, but you have turned this one on already, so basically you just have to go to your phone storage and then locate Telegram. Okay, and then here under Telegram folder, you will see all the documents, the pictures, audio, files, images, stories, and video. All you have to do is to click this, and you can recover, or you will recover some deleted files on that specific Telegram group or chat. Also, if you can't do this, or in case that you haven't done this save to private or save to gallery, and you wanted to recover your files on Telegram, the best thing to do is to ask a support or ask a help from their Telegram support by going to any web browser and type Telegram support. And then here under support, you can be very specific with your message, that you can tell them, please help me recover my deleted files. I have some important files I need to recover, and I cannot recover it on my phone. So please do help me. Thank you. You can also provide your email address, or you must provide your email address and your number here. Submit and wait for their customer service team to respond and help you with this concern. So if you want us to create another tutorial, or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next videos.